Okay, hi guys. So good evening, all of you. So guys, audible? Okay, right, guys. So yesterday we started one of second subblock objects in your PLSQL. So stored function and function. Okay, so function definition and the syntax of your function, how to create and how to call. And later we taken some examples in the last session. So the 3 examples we discussed. Okay, now right. And the next example, guys, here. So the next example. Observe. Create a stored function to return number of employee or joined in between the given date expressions. In between the given date expressions. So question understand, guys, all of you. So what is my question in this? What is my question in this? I want to return number of employee. Okay, I want to return number of employee are joined in between the given date expressions. So whatever the date I was given, so and so date to so and so date, in between how many number of employees are joined in my company or organization. Okay, na? So that information I have to know it. So this is our requirement for taking off function. Let you come out and see. So first of all, I want to connect with my user spot. Okay, I'm connecting now. So after that, you have to go for, this is your table, guys, here, but I have to call my table. Okay, now I need to set my page size. Okay, so this is our table, guys. So in this table, total 14 employees we have it, and now we have to go for, to find out, okay, number of employees who are joined in between the given two date expressions. Okay, right. So my program is create or replace. So function SF number 4 of, so starting date 1 parameter and ending date 1 parameter. There are 2 parameters I was taking, guys, here, starting date and ending date. Okay, now return. So what it was going to be written means the number of employees. Number of employees means which type of number type. Okay, right. So later is or as. Okay, in this one variable. So what is my variable means? Number of employee. NUMEMP. Number of employees. So this is number type, one variable is declared. And after that begin statement, let me write here select. So now I'm using select the count of staff into v underscore NUMEMP, number of employee variable, and from EMP table. Okay, and from EMP table. So what is our condition? Where higher data between starting date ST and ending date ED. That's it. Okay, my condition, where condition is what now? Starting date ST, ending date ED. Between operator, I'm using high date call. Okay, right. And after that, okay, after that, so as usual, you have to return. What is my return variable? Variable EMP num. Sorry, num EMP num EMP, number of employees. Okay, fine. And finally, end and close. So my function successfully created, guys. My function successfully created. Okay, now. So after created this function, let you call now. So now I'm going to calling now. So how I'm going to calling here? Option select My function name is SF number 4. And now starting date, for example, 01 dash Jan dash 1981 to so 31st dash December dash 1981 if I'm setting. So as per my higher date column, okay, as whatever it is, some date starting and ending date I was given. So in the starting and ending data, how many number of employees are joined? Let me see. Total 10 employees are joined in this starting and ending date. Okay, now 10 employees are joined. Okay, so now we can check out as per your table, the 10 employees are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 employees are joined. Okay, now so this is one more program on your function. And next one is next one more example. Like this, we can create so many examples. Okay, now right. One more example. Create a stored function to input employee number and returns to input employee number and returns that employee gross salary from EMP table. Okay, that employee return that employee gross salary based on the following conditions. The following conditions. Okay, now the following conditions are what is my first condition? HRA 10%. Okay, second one is called as a day relevance. Okay, 20%. And third one is called as a provident fund 30%. Okay, now so this is okay. So simply our conditions, and based on this condition, what I need to find out here, gross salary. Okay, now so gross salary we need to calculate. And one more thing is what now, which employee means which employee number are you input, or are you input employee number? So that person gross salary I need to calculate. Okay, now right. So for example, let us see. Suppose one employee number is 7788. So before you need to calculating HRA, DA, PF percentage, first of all, what we should require here means this employee, what we required, basic salary I want to require. Yes or no, guys? If you want to find out your HRA, DA, PF, first of all, we required that employee basic salary now. Yes or no? Come on, guys. Okay, yes. So we want to know first basic salary. So when you know the basic salary of the employee, then based on that basic salary, now I'm calculating my HRA, DA, PF. After calculation as per the given percentages, later I want to calculate my gross salary. Okay, now the point is understanding or not? So now this is what we want to do. Now let me see. Suppose this employee basic salary is, suppose the 3,000 is there, for example. So 3,000 means now what I need to calculate first, HRA. So HRA, how to calculate a basic salary into 10%, 10 by 100. Then how much it will come, guys, here? 300. Okay, next day relevances. Day relevances, how to calculate 3,000 into 20%. Okay, now so 20 by 100. Then what is your, okay, what is your day relevances? 600. And later what now? PF. PF is equal to what now? Again 3,000. 3,000 into 30%. Then how much your PF here? So 900. Understand my point now? So these are calculations of your HRA, DA, PF. And based on this, what I need to find out here? Gross. So gross salary is equal to, how can you say, basic salary plus HRA plus DA allowances plus PF. These all calculations is called as a gross salary. Yes or no? Now This employee basic salary, how much is 3,000 plus HRA 300 plus, okay, DR element is 600 plus PF 900. Now all are calculated. Total how much guys here? Calculate here 3,000, 3,900, 4,500 and 4,800. 4,800. 4,800. What now? Gross salary. Gross salary of which employee? Whose employee number? 777. Point understanding now? So this is what we called as your calculation of your gross salary. So now this is programmatically we want to write. Now let you come out. Yeah, now I'm creating. Create or replace function SF number 5. Parameter EMP number. Okay. So now return as usual. Salary means number type. Now these are as now variables. So one by one variable I will declare. Basic salary purpose one variable. Okay. HRA purpose. HRA calculation purpose one variable. Okay. Now next DR relevances purpose one variable. So how many required variables you can declare? Next, so PF calculation purpose one variable. Next, finally, we need to find out here gross purpose one variable. The total 5 variables are total 5 variables we declare. After that, begin. First, I need to get basic salary. So select sal into V underscore basic salary from EMP, where EMP number is equals to parameter EMP number. Okay, now parameter EMP number. After that, we need to calculate one by one. First one is what now? HRA calculate. HRA is equals to what is it? Basic salary, V salary, variable basic salary into. Can I give 0.1 guide? Come on, guys. Can I give 10% means can I give 0.1? Okay, yes, we can. Next, their relevances. Their relevances, I have to use a basic salary into 0.2. Next, PF. So PF is equals to basic salary into 0.3. Okay, now all we can take note. What I need to find out finally, gross. Gross is equals to, okay, V basic salary into, sorry, plus V HRA plus DR allowances plus PF. DR allowances plus PF. Okay, now after calculating this all, later what you want to return? I want to return V cross variable. Okay, and finally end close. So function successfully created. Now we can call this. So I'm calling select SF number 5 of, okay, 7788 employee number I'm giving from where. Now you can see guys here 7788 employee is there. Got, and his salary, how much it was there guys here? 3,000. His salary, how much is guys here? 3,000. So now let you come out. Let you come out. Now enter. So 3,000 is a basic salary, then gross salary 4,800. 4,800. So this is the way you can write your functions and you can create your functions with the different logics. Okay, now this is second object in your subblocks category, and this is also named block. And now this information, suppose if you want to see, I already said to you object underscore name from our data dictionary, user underscore objects, where object underscore type is equals to what you want to say, function. So total 5 functions we created guys. So the 5 function list was there, and I already said to you, if you want to see any function body source code, if you want to see, then another data dictionary is there. user underscore source, and where name is equals to sf1, for example, I have to see. Now sf1 code is showing us. Suppose this functions, if you want to draw the same sf1, if I want to draw, I can draw my function successfully. So now sf1 is successfully dropping or not from your database, just come and call executed. So there is no sf1. Okay, now so this is second object function. So procedure, function, 2 objects are being completed in subblocks, and 2 more objects are there, guys, here. And the third object, packages, and the packages, okay, we will discuss tomorrow, guys, because today I'm a little bit sick here. Okay, I will go for 2 packages and triggers. Okay, now, and maximum your batch will be completed end of this month. Okay, end of this month your course is completed, guys. Okay, now, end of this month the course is completed. Okay, right, guys, and tomorrow let me go for a package and triggers. So these are the main topics. If these topics are over, almost we are ending of your PLSQL, and later some small concepts are there that I will explain to you. Okay, right, guys, so that's why end of this month your batch will be closed. Okay, right, guys, thank you so much.